increasing the quality of the technique, like having the right tempo, that will in and of itself make your training suit like way more intense, right? Because so many people like,
Yeah.
for example, leg press, like people don't go past 90 degrees on their knee joint for leg press, and it's like that makes it so much easier. Like even if you fill the whole machine up with all the weight that it can hold and do, a 30, 40 degree or like 60 to 80 degree range of motion, that's still way easier than having less than half the weight you're putting on it and doing a full range of motion where your calves press against your hamstrings. Yeah, that's basically like kind of the balance there is like, and I guess the biggest thing is get an outside perspective. I'm sure even if you filmed your own sets yourself and just analyze them yourself, like you'll see where you're going wrong.
I catch myself there all the time, and say if we're at an event or something like that and I train with somebody, I'm thinking of a training session I had with our mutual friend Frankton Blunken out in Las Vegas, right? And, push me well outside of my comfort zone on a lower body day. And I'm like, sometimes you have to tap into something that's a little bit different.